Thank you for the opportunity to learn about the LifeMark automated systems. Time is limited, but the information ahead is well worth the attention. Please take a moment to watch this short video.
A car hit and killed a contractor with the Arkansas Department of Transportation overnight. It happened while the worker was applying reflective tape on the road in Hempstead County.
Go to a breaking news alert. A construction worker has died after being hit by a tractor trailer. It happened along I-77 between Kanawha City and Marmette.
He's new at 6. He was a beloved father of 6 who went to work and never came home to his family. Killed after a crash in Farmington Hills, just doing his job.
At a bridge rehabilitation project here in Westmoreland County, tragedy struck this morning as one worker was injured and another was killed while they were working on the span.
Maryland State Police are investigating tonight after a worker was struck and killed by a dump truck driver in Harford County. Happened this morning in a work zone on I-95 South near Mountain Road.
Deputies say a worker driving a dump truck backed over a second worker who was directing traffic, and that person died at the scene.
Authorities say Bowens attempted to cross the eastbound lanes of 40 to return to the shoulder. He was struck by a driver and was thrown to the pavement.
State police say that a 24-year-old man driving a box truck hit a construction vehicle in an active work zone, and that crash caused the box truck to drive onto the shoulder and hit the workers. They all died at the scene.
Everyone here understands that road construction projects are dangerous. Pavement marking is often one of the most hazardous parts of the entire project, especially the layout process. Layout is slow, arduous, and places workers in the most vulnerable position on the job site. It also accounts for as much as 80% of the total labor cost and exposure on a pavement marking project. This presentation is designed to show exactly how those challenges are being addressed, not just in theory, but in practice. This presentation is divided into 5 parts: who we are, an introduction to the LifeMark 100 and how it works, the return on investment it provides, how to strategically invest in the LifeMark 100, and finally, a preview of the newest innovation, the LifeMark 400 auto layout and restripe system. LimTech builds smart, automated road marking systems. The mission is simple: reduce boots from harm's way while dramatically improving customer productivity and throughput. Everything is built on 3 foundational attributes: our people, our products, and our passion. Our people. The leadership team brings more than 200 years of combined pavement marking industry experience. This team doesn't just participate in the industry, it helps lead it. In-house engineers span robotics, computer science, electrical, and mechanical disciplines, providing complete control from development through support. Our products reflect the expertise of the people behind them. The LifeMark 100 is a vehicle-mounted, GPS-guided auto layout system that eliminates manual layout. It can be installed on a utility vehicle or a pavement marking truck. The LifeMark 400 builds on this foundation, adding auto restripe capability and intelligent carriage control. It can be configured for paint, thermoplastic, or plural component trucks. These systems are built for accuracy, safety, and throughput. Then there's our passion. Worker safety is more than a priority. It is a passion. The mission is to protect lives while fundamentally changing how work zones operate. At the end of the day, the result is real innovation that delivers real results. The LifeMark 100 overview. The LifeMark 100 is a vehicle-mounted, fully automated layout system designed to survey, record, and lay out pavement markings. It is operated by a single person from the safety of the cab, and it is built for speed, safety, and simplicity. Now, let's look at the LifeMark 100 system components. The driver has full control and visibility of the system's operation through a touchscreen monitor. 2 high-powered GPS antennas provide precise location and direction data. The robotics are powered hydraulically by an onboard PTO, a pony motor, or an electric system. An electronics cabinet safely houses all major components, including a mini supercomputer. Left and right HD cameras capture images during the marking survey and recording process. The intelligent paint carriage holds and precisely controls the left and right applicators. And with the optional pattern automation system, a 3-can assembly automatically codes a pavement whenever there is a change in the marking pattern. How it works. In survey mode, the LifeMark 100 drives along existing markings at posted speeds. The onboard HD cameras scan the surface, capturing the marking type, color, and pattern before an overlay. Artificial intelligence processes the images in real time, while GPS with cellular-connected real-time kinematics delivers centimeter-level accuracy. That data is uploaded to the LimTech cloud, where it can be backed up, reviewed, and shared across the LifeMark fleet. When the overlay is complete, the system downloads the data to a utility vehicle or striping truck equipped with a LifeMark 100 and switches to layout mode. The layout path is digitally displayed in the cab. The carriage positions automatically, and layout dots are applied with centimeter accuracy with the optional pattern automation system. Painted codes are applied at pattern transitions, such as moving from double yellow to single skip, eliminating guesswork and footwork. The striping truck then follows those markings for final application. The LifeMark 100 can now also utilize non-native data. High-definition coordinates of plan markings can be uploaded, and the system applies the layout accordingly. This capability further expands versatility for both new construction and reconstruction projects. The results are clear. Labor reduced by up to 97%. Productivity increased more than tenfold. Work zone safety significantly improved. This is the future pavement layout. Fast, intelligent, and reliable. Let's talk ROI. Here's the breakdown on savings. Manual layout usually requires a crew of 3 to 6 workers on foot, exposed to both construction activity and live traffic. Crew size depends on factors such as road complexity, traffic speed, and traffic volume. For this estimate, an all-in labor rate of $30 per hour is used. While rates vary by region, many are significantly higher. With 3 workers, that's a conservative labor cost of $90 per hour. A skilled crew averages about 1 mile of layout per hour, depending on traffic conditions, roadway complexity, and the expertise of the striping team. That equals an estimated labor cost of $90 per mile. The LifeMark 100, by contrast, requires only 1 operator, safely seated in the cab of the truck. At the same $30 per hour, the LifeMark 100 produces 10 miles of layout in that time, just $3 per mile. That's a 97% reduction in cost and a tenfold increase in productivity. The LifeMark 100 is simple by design, easy to train, easy to operate, and seamlessly integrates into existing processes. ROI begins on day 1. Across a season, the savings are often enough to recoup the full investment within the first year. The results can be confirmed directly by running your own project data through the online ROI calculator. And the human ROI is even greater. 3 pairs of boots removed from the pavement, lives protected and risks reduced. The LifeMark 100 protects workers and reduces exposure and liability. Let's talk about investment strategy. Many companies begin with a LifeMark 100 pickup-mounted system. Crews quickly recognize the value and often ask, "When will we get another one?" This creates a strategic decision point. Is the next step another pickup system, or is it better to upfit a new or existing striping truck with the LifeMark 100? In most cases, pavement marking truck integration makes the stronger long-term investment. Truck integration makes sense on 3 levels. First, stronger financial performance. It eliminates the cost of an extra pickup system and keeps million-dollar striping trucks producing revenue. Second, greater operational control. Layout is completed directly on-site, minimizing travel, staging, and idle truck time while reducing dependence on pickup units. And third, competitive advantage. Projects start faster with fewer delays, labor and equipment are used more efficiently, and fleets become safer and easier to scale. At the executive level, the outcomes are clear. Projects are completed faster, often allowing crews to complete multiple projects in one day. The cost per lane mile is reduced, with fewer needed assets and workers on the job site. Safety records are stronger, from less exposure of your people and equipment, and assets are utilized more effectively. The LifeMark 400 auto layout and restripe system is the newest innovation. It builds on a foundation of the LifeMark 100, combining automated layout with intelligent operator-assist restriping. The system replicates and overlays the location, color, and pattern of existing markings, making it ideal for maintenance work and for transitioning from temporary to permanent striping. It keeps skilled stripers in control while reducing stress, improving accuracy, and increasing productivity. The LifeMark 400 technology stack includes GPS with real-time kinematics, high-definition cameras, and advanced AI with enhanced line recognition. Its robotic controls transform the paint gun and carriage into an intelligent system, automatically maintaining carriage position and gun activation to precisely duplicate existing markings. The system offers two operating modes: full auto for straightforward restripe jobs with clear, contrasting markings; semi-auto for complex layouts, low-contrast markings, or challenging environments, providing operator guidance with enhanced precision. The LifeMark 400 reduces dependence on deep operator expertise, improving both accuracy and productivity. It keeps skilled stripers in control while advancing toward full automation, and it positions companies for long-term gains in safety, efficiency, and innovation. What do customers think about our systems? Here are 3 case studies. PLP, a frontline company. The LifeMark 100 has helped us become more efficient, safer, and more accurate. It's simple to use, flexible for various team members, and allows us to deliver layout faster and with greater confidence. Justin Gaudelli, PLP Company. D2K, an independent striping company out of Chicago. If you're going to be in the striping business, you need this system. Kathy Holtz, Chairwoman. Vance, an independent paving company out of Nebraska. We used to need half a day and a full team to set string lines. Now it takes one person and 20 minutes. That changes everything. Sean Vance, Vice President, Vance Paving, Inc. The LifeMark family delivers safer crews, faster projects, and lower costs. Smarter striping starts today. Reserve a build slot now and connect with the LimTech team or visit our website for system data sheets, case studies, pricing and quote information, and options for additional live presentations or demonstrations. Let's make the next season faster, safer, and more profitable with LifeMark.